So first and foremost, before we go further on our presentation, we need to know what is the meaning of titration. So basically, titration is the qualitative chemical analysis used to determine the concentrations of a solution using another solution with a known concentration. And nowadays, titration has been used in many different industries. One of them is cosmetic industries. So if we look at the process of titration, there will be analyte, which is the substance that we want to determine its concentration. And in cosmetic industries, it could be active ingredient, preservative, or other component. And the second one is titrant. Titrant is the substance that we already know its concentration and will be titrated into the analyte. So for the complete reaction between these both is called endpoint. We can simply assume this endpoint by looking at the color change of the indicator used. And the second point in the titration is equivalent point, which is the point where the titrant is fully neutralized the analyte. And after the titration has done, there will be calculation based on the amount of titrant that we use and also the stoichiometry between the titrant and also the analyte. So titration is applied in cosmetic industry to adjust or to control the pH level to determine the active ingredients, for example like AHA or vitamin, and also for antioxidant analysis to maintain the stability of the product.
My name is Esha. Today I'm gonna present about the benefit of titration in cosmetic industry. First of all, the benefit of titration is to provide high quality product for customer. This is because titration offer good formulation of product following the rules by the Ministry of Health of Malaysia. Titration help in ensuring the right amount of reactant used, leading to the production of high quality product with consistent properties. Secondly, the other benefit of titration is to provide user-friendly product. Titration help in controlling the pH value of cosmetic product, making it more accessible for people with skin sensitivity. It also help in preventing allergic reaction such as itchy skin, face swelling, and puffy eyes, which enhance comfortable experience for customer. Last but not least, maintaining a consistency of cosmetic product is also one of the benefits of titration. Titration help in maintaining consistency by helping in ensuring accurate measuring amount of ingredient need in the product. This help the product advertised to reach high customer satisfaction.
Specifically about the titration usually used in cosmetic industry, which is Carl Fisher titration. Analyte used is usually the active ingredient, preservative or the other components. Active ingredients commonly vitamin, while the example of preservative is phenol ethanol. In the burette, it will be filled with the titrant, which is the Carl Fisher reagents as shown in this picture. For the first procedure, a known amount of cosmetic sample is weighed using analytical balance. Before the analytical balance is used, it's better to warm it up first for about an hour to prevent the systematic error. Generally, an accurate weight involves four significant figures, and for the sample size in cosmetic industry, it's typically range from 0.1 to 5 grams. After that, if the sample is in solid form, it need to be dissolved first. Only then the process continued with the volumetric approach where the alcohol solvent in the titration cell holding the sample is mixed with iodine mechanically. And lastly, based on the amount of titrant and analyte used, calculation will be done using the formula as shown here to obtain the main objective. A few cosmetic products that undergo Carl Fisher titration, such as lipstick, foundation, concealer, lotion, cream blush, sunscreen, and lip balm.
Next part is the result of titration. My name is Afrina and I'll be explaining about the result of titration. This lead to concentration of active compound and determination of pH level in cosmetic product, and lastly, mental concentration of active compound. In this cosmetic industry, to determine the concentration of active compound is really crucial because what? Because to ensuring product safety and the effectiveness of the product. It is how manufacturer verify the level of active ingredient that is claimed on the product label. Next, determination of pH level in the cosmetic product. The product is very stable and very safe to the user. So as you can see in this picture, you can see many different level of pH that in the certain of cosmetic product. The mental concentration. Metals like cadmium and mercury can be harmful even in small quantity because the manufacturer makes sure prevent potential risk to the user so it can be safe to use within the safe limit because of the metal concentration in the cosmetic product such like eyeliners or lipstick. Next, the error of titration in cosmetic industry. Will there be any possibility that error can occur in titration? The answer is yes, because one of the main problem or error which lead to presence of tiny gas bubble in the cosmetic formulation, this due to within the presence of tiny gas bubble affect the inconsistencies of the cosmetic solution. Next, endpoint enema. What you understand about enema or what is the definition of enema? Enema is hard to explain or hard to understand. What is the meaning of indicator? Indicator is to show the endpoint by color changing. So, the error of titration that lead in endpoint enema is the misperception of determining color changing in the titration. Error of concentration. This error occurs when the incorrect standardization affecting the testing and pH control of cosmetic product. Last but not least, the contamination of the cosmetic solution can affect the effective level of concentration.
In conclusion, the effectiveness and the stability of the product can be achieved by coefficient titration. So titration will help to determine the effective level of certain substance if errors can be avoided during the procedure.